Hey guys, and welcome back. So Sam's back, 60,000 service. She's had the new armrests refitted. To refit the armrests though, I've had to lose the additional racks from Wunderlich over the panniers. So I've got to look at different ways of getting additional storage onto Sam as well. And also had to put on new tires. Now, if you look at the tires in the photograph, they still have life left, but 10,500 miles. The back was probably about another 1,000 or so miles. The front was probably around 2,000, but I'm going to be moving shortly, so I need to actually move all of the bike. So I didn't really want to have to worry about putting on new tires on the go. So I've had them changed now. The photographs that you see here will show the current tire setup and everything else. So 60,000 miles, 60,000 kilometer service. No advisories, no issues, no nothing. As you can see, the front tire still has plenty of life in it. You probably get at least another 2,000 miles out of the front tire, so you're looking around 12,000 miles. The back tire, it's not too bad. You can get at least another 1,000, maybe 1,500 out of that before it needs replacing. But it's looking pretty good. Now, as you can see, the speedo's reading 489. What that is, it's the speedo, the trip counter only goes up to 9,999. So there's the pair of tires that were replaced, and all the service was done, and it's looking good. So I mean, everything was done beautifully. You can't complain when it's done like this, because it's clinical, it's clean, it's done properly, and as you can see, nothing is left to chance. Everything is checked and done properly all the time. Catch you guys later. Bye.